Welcome back, guys. This is Falgun, and today we are going to discuss about the event just occurs before fertilization, that is pollen pistil interaction. So, without wasting any time, let us begin. Before starting this topic, I just want to ask you guys: do you have any friends? The answer would be I am expecting yes. We all have friends. It means you are the average of 5 friends around you. Basically, I just want to ask you guys, what type of friends do we choose in our life? Basically, we choose those friends which are of our type. Yes or no? That's it, right? No confusion in this. We like those kind of persons which are of our type. That means what we like, they likes as well. What we dislike, they dislikes as well. So that kind of person, what we are attracted to, right? In the same way, this stigma has the ability to find out okay, ability to find out right type of pollen, right type of pollen. If right type of pollen gets on the surface of a stigma, at that time stigma, what it does, it basically accepts accepts the pollen, and it also allows the pollen to germinate. As a result, it produces pollen tube. That pollen tube gets into ovary through piercing the surface of a stigma. It's first of all it gets into the style region, then to ovary, then it gets into ovule. After that, by the help of filiform apparatus, it gets into the embryo sac. After that, double fertilization, triple fusion occurs. Double fertilization and triple fusion occurs. This is the topic for next video that we are going to discuss. Okay. So before that, this pollen pistil interaction occurs. Okay. This is how the stigma basically recognize the right type of pollen. If right type of pollen falls on the surface, then only it accepts it and it allows it to germinate on the surface. Okay. So this acceptance or rejection, if wrong type of pollen gets on the surface of stigma, then basically it rejects the germination of pollen, right? This acceptance or rejection of the pollen is mediated by some chemicals which is present on the surface of stigma. Okay, so that is it. That is how this pollen pistil interaction takes place. Thank you for joining in. This is Falun and signing out.